It's a new year and you want to become a better leader. Perfect. I have 5 small habits you can start today, and I guarantee you will be on track to become a great tech lead. Hey there! If you're new here, I spent over a decade in software development, with the past 7 years in leadership and the last 4 coaching technical leaders. Let's begin the video. Picture this: you're in a meeting with multiple teams. You are trying to solve a complex problem, but because there is a lot of people, there is little agreement on what's going on. There is a Chinese proverb that goes like, "A problem clearly stated is a problem half solved." What I do to overcome this problem is to create a simple diagram and invite other people to collaborate on what the problem is, the assumptions, the considerations, and finally the alternative solutions. Make sure to write down everything. Let me show you a practical example. When explaining system architecture, start with a high-level diagram. Break down each component. Use different colors for different services, and add arrows to show data flow. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, especially in technical discussions. Your team will thank you for making complex concepts digestible and memorable. Let's move on to the next idea. Leadership isn't about giving orders, it's about setting the tone. When I first became tech lead, I discovered that my team mirrored my energy and attitude. If you show up enthusiastic and solution-oriented, your team will follow suit. Here is what this looks like in practice. Start each meeting with high energy. This is how I start. Buenas equipo, ¿cómo están? Celebrate small wins publicly. Address challenges with a "how can I solve this" mindset. Share your own learning experiences and mistakes. I imagine you are in meetings all day, every day, but more than likely your meetings are not effective. I've seen countless hours wasted in directionless discussions. The secret: a well-structured agenda. Create a template that includes meeting objectives, time allocation for each topic, required preparation from participants, action items from previous meetings, space for new action items. This is the most important step. Make sure that in every meeting there is a clear list of action items with owners and a deadline. Share this agenda at least 24 hours before the meeting. This gives your team time to prepare and ensures focused, productive discussions. Moving on to the next topic. As a tech lead, you are not just managing today's code, you are shaping tomorrow's solution. Innovation doesn't happen by accident. It needs structure, brainstorming, and creative problem solving. Here is how to run an effective brainstorming session. Set a specific challenge to solve. Time box ideation phase. Create a safe space for wild ideas. Most people laugh when someone throws a crazy idea, and this is a big mistake, because crazy ideas are usually the spark for the best ideas. So write down everything. One example from my personal life. When we intended to sell our house, I sat down with my wife to brainstorm where we could live for 1 year. And I say, let's go to Hawaii. We both laugh, but I wrote it down anyway. 3 months later, we were living in Hawaii. Moving on, the best tech leads don't just deliver projects, they build stronger teams. Personal development goals are your secret weapon for keeping team members engaged and growing. Guide your team members to create SMART goals, specific technical skills to acquire, measurable milestones, achievable within their current role, relevant to their career path, time-bound with clear deadlines. Pro tip: a lot of companies have partnerships with Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and others. Those partnerships usually come with free training and certification. For example, in the company I work for, we have a partnership with Google, and I encourage people to become GCP expert because it's free. Now, let's talk about putting this into practice. Start with one area at a time. Trying to implement everything at once can be overwhelming. I recommend beginning with meeting management, as it has the most immediate impact. I created this weekly implementation schedule. In week 1, you implement structured agendas. In week 2, you introduce visual communication tools. Week 3, you start positive leadership initiatives. Week 4, run your first innovation workshop. Week 5, begin development goal discussions. Before we wrap up, let me share some common mistakes I've seen new tech leads make, trying to be perfect from day one. Focusing too much on technical details and not enough on people. Forgetting to delegate effectively, neglecting their own continuous learning. Remember, becoming an excellent tech lead is a journey, not a destination. These action items are just the beginning. I created a PDF with 25 ideas, 5 for each area that you can start improving today, and it's free. Check out the link in the description below. Thank you for staying until the end. I took 2 months out because I was moving and also because I needed time to recharge and renew. I hope you like this video and see you in the next one.